Hey there, and welcome back. In this tutorial video, we're going to go over how to create games, as well as create the box score page that can display games automatically for you. So I'm here on a site I've already set up a bunch of teams and players. So to create a new game, you go into Add Games, Add New, and then you can select the home team and the away team. You can add in the score line if the game has either started or it's already been finished. And the finals total over here gets calculated automatically. You can select the game status, whether it's scheduled, in progress, or final. Date, time of the game, what week it is, season, attendance, all that. If it's a neutral site, you can add in that here. And then you can also add in team stats. Depending on the sport you're using, there might be some match events to add in here as well, or scoring plays or whatever. And then you can add in the player stats right here, and it all gets output correctly. And then when you're done, come up here or go down to the bottom and press save. So that's how you do that. Now, if you want to create a box score page, you just go in and create a new page. I've already got this set up. And here, if you're using the plugin, you'll look for the Sports Bench box score block to add in. If you're using the Sports Bench main theme, you can just look for the box score page template over here and select that. I'm using the theme for this site, so we don't need the block, and press update. But this is just what the box score looks like, the box score page, I should say. And this will work for every game. It'll swap out everything here. So and it's a little bit similar with the block as well. It just won't maybe look as fancy, and you might have to do some things to make it work with your theme. But overall, this is just how you create games and as well as create the box score page. If you want to learn more about Sports Bench, or you have a question, or you want to view more tutorials, be sure to check out sportsbenchwp.com.